Hey, what's up YouTube? This is snaggletoothMTB, and today we're doing a bike check of my own ride, my 2016 Trek Remedy 650B. It has been my bike for the last 2 years. Bought it brand new. I'm running ODI Ruffian lock-ons. Love these grips. Even got snaggletooth engraved in them. For handlebars, I'm running Spank Spike Vibrocores. I love them, and it's also mounted up to a Spank Spike 35mm reach. And brakes, I'm running Shimano XTs and a Shimano XT 11-speed shifter. For the dropper remote, I am running the Wolftooth Components remote, and I really love this thing. Easy to reach, makes it no problem. Works better than the kind shock sock lever I had on there originally. Easy as that. Tire choice up front, I got a Schwalbe Magic Mary up front, mounted on a Project 321 wheel set with the stands, no tubes, flow rims, and up front is a 27-235. And this is my backcountry research mother load strap, keeping some goodies with me at all times so I don't forget anything in my camelback. And on drivetrain, Shimano XT cranks with a Wolftooth elliptical chainring, 30 tooth, and a KMC chain because I keep snapping Shimanos. Haven't had no problems with the KMC chain. Got a Shimano XT cassette in the rear, 1142, mounted with a Wolftooth GC49 tooth chain gear, whatever it is. Shimano derailleur, XT of course. I love this amount of range. We call it the ghetto bird because you don't need to buy a SRAM, and I prefer Shimano. Again, Shimano XT brakes with the IceTech rotors in the rear, and running Spank Spike pedals because I decided to go flats for a while. And if you get curious, this is how an oval chain looks. I mean, it's going backwards, ain't going nowhere, but hey, never seen an oval in action. Kind of crazy when you look down, see it. Alrighty, that's a quick bike check for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.